So SteamOS was originally based on Debian, right? And then later became based on Arch around when the Steam Deck released. Valve likely made the move over to Arch because it's more steadily updated over Debian. And with a brand new console release, they wanted to make sure that the backbone of their OS was constantly being updated. Now Arch Linux just announced that they have a direct collaboration with Valve now. This collaboration will accelerate Arch's development by funding volunteers and turning them into paid freelancers. Additionally, the secure signing enclave, though less exciting, ensures authenticity and security of software updates by verifying that they're safe. Now let's do a little speculating. Now while this news doesn't directly materialize into a product or improvement, it is good news overall for gaming on Linux. At a fundamental level, taking a chance in funding a project that isn't already stable and has proven success is obviously a risk. But investing in a project like Arch that is already beloved and considered a success in the community just means we get more of a good thing. So I have a couple of things in mind I think will improve just based off this collaboration. I think that it's going to improve Wine and Proton integration for Arch Linux. I think it's going to improve peripheral support, enhance compatibility with game launchers like Epic Games and GOG. Of course, faster response to updates and bug fixes. I expect better hardware support, not just for Steam Deck, but gaming on Linux overall. Specifically GPU support, specifically NVIDIA GPU support.
So NVIDIA.
And by the way, I don't even own a Steam Deck. I actually have a Lenovo Legion Go, but I do know that the health of other Steam Deck-like operating systems like Bazzite OS that I'm running on this depend directly on SteamOS being successful. So I see this as an overall win for gaming on Linux. Let me know what you think. But before you head out, check out this video I made about EmuDeck releasing their first Steam machine. Peace.